Selecting the best adventure camp cook set is a vital decision for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Whether you're embarking on a multi-day backpacking journey, setting up camp in the wilderness, or enjoying a relaxing camping trip with family and friends, having the right cookware can significantly enhance your outdoor cooking experience. The ideal cook set should balance durability, portability, and functionality to cater to your specific needs. In order to help you make the right choice, we have selected and reviewed some of the best adventure camp cook set, which are most recommended by professionals and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. The double-wall vacuum insulation and airtight locking lid keeps food, soup or chili piping hot for 12 hours. But can also keep contents ice cold for up to 16 hours. Materials are BPA-free to ensure food safety. With 3 quarts of space, this container can store enough food to bring lunch for everyone. The handle on the lid makes it easy to carry even when filled. A wide mouth opening makes it easy to clean, fill, scoop and serve. Number 2. Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. The Stanley Cook Kit is perfect for outdoor cooking for hot meals, coffee or boiling water. These cooking pots come with a vented top to let steam escape or strain liquid. This is a great survival supplies gift. It designed the handle to provide maximum comfort and stability while it's on the stove. The locking handle both extends for stable cooking and folds over the lid to save space while with the rest of your gear. Number 3. Stanley Adventure All-in-One Press. Whether you need a fresh cup of coffee or are looking to heat up some soup to warm your bones, this sleek and streamlined French press brews, boils, and cooks in a large 32 ounces container. Built with super durable and BPA-free stainless steel, this coffee maker is nearly indestructible. It heats up quickly over a stove or campfire, so you fill your mug quickly at home or while camping. It's designed to be space-conscious. The handle folds against the body so it can easily fit into a backpack. Number 4. Stanley Camp Pour-Over Set Hammertone. Refresh your coffee experience with Stanley Products Coffee Maker. The Stanley Pour-Over Coffee Maker is a traditional way to brew using a stainless steel filter. Brew pour-over coffee like a pro at home. It is easy to use and environmentally friendly. The stainless steel design is stylish and non-breakable. The stainless steel filter helps extract your coffee's aromatic oils and subtle flavors instead of being absorbed by a paper filter. It's a smarter option for your coffee. Number 5. Stanley Classic Legendary Camp Mug. At the campsite, in the office, or on your morning walk to work, the Stanley Legendary Camping Mug makes a statement whenever you reach for your lips. It comes in classic hammertone green, timeless matte black, striking nightfall, and eye-catching wine. You'll also love just how easy it is to clean your insulated coffee mug. Just place it in the top rack of the dishwasher. A smooth stainless steel interior also makes hand washing a breeze. It created a lid that keeps spills to a minimum without interfering with the sipping experience.